In this episode, we install some decals and experience a bit of a graduation. Okay, what we're going to tackle next is this engine bay. It's pretty dirty and we'd like to clean it up, so we're just going to give it a bit of a scrub down. That way we can watch for any new leaks or current leaks that are happening. Right now there's a bit of oil everywhere, so we're just going to clean it up and go from there. So next up, we've got to install these Jeep decals. I got these off of eBay from some faraway land in the Ukraine that I can't pronounce the name, but they look like pretty good quality. So I'm going to clean this up. We're going to use the wet method of applying them, and we'll get them installed. So I got it on. I did run into a bit of an issue. As you can see, it comes like this, but it's a little bit too, letters are a little bit too close together for what's there. So I had to cut the letters apart, which made it a little more challenging, but I was able to get it on looking good, I think. So I'm gonna whip over to the other side and install this one. Second one down, looking good. Okay, so we got the decals on. It's really warm here today, so we took the hard top off. We're going to do a little bit of touch up on the paint. And just touch up. It's my daddy, Dad. We'll put it later. Okay, so as you saw in our little vignette there, Kennedy is a little more excited about driving the Jeep than she is about working on the Jeep. The good news is the Jeep's almost done. Are they ever really done? We've got a few more little things to do. We'd like to get the soft top installed for the summer, and it has just a couple issues we want to take care of, so those issues don't become any bigger as it gets installed and used through the summer. We've also got a bit of a rattle still, as you heard when it started up, coming from the exhaust system. We're 99% sure it's the catalytic converter, so we'll have to get one of those ordered and installed, and hopefully that'll solve that issue. There's also a couple mechanical issues we're going to deal with. Just want to go through the brakes, make sure that it's got fresh brake pads and rotors on there. Check the drums in the back as well. The emergency brake is a little bit temperamental right now, so possibly we need to adjust the brake cable there or even replace it. There's still got a little bit of paint correction that we need to do. We did repair that major drip that we had at the back corner there, but there's a couple smaller ones that still need to get taken care of. What else? I'm sure there's a few more mechanical issues that'll come up. The driver's seat has a couple rips in it, so I'm not sure what we're going to do as far as that goes, whether it's seat covers or replacement seats. We'll see what our budget allows and what we can find out there. But yeah, we're not 100% sure what's coming up next in the next few videos. Possibly could do some more work on the 1980 Rabbit convertible, maybe the 1978 Porsche 911, or maybe even some maintenance on the Harley-Davidson Road King. So we're not sure what's coming up, but as it does come up, you'll be sure to see it here on Analog Generation.